Hi everyone, it's me. I am just making this video to explain how to personalize your Zoom account. Okay, we are gonna first, I'm using this avatar. That's one of the personalizations you can make. Okay, it says set up your Zoom experience. Customize your account settings to make Zoom work for you. You can always update them later if you change your mind. So let's get started. Anytime you want to change the settings, you can always go to this cog over here, this little wheel, to change your settings. All right, let's get started. Okay, what name do you want to show every time you log on? So I want Sarita Smith to show every time I come on. You can like if it's not a professional meeting, it's not for class, you can do, I don't know, whatever. Georgia Peach. Whatever. Next. And go back. I don't like that. I want to put Sarita Smith. You can change it, okay? It's not permanent. Okay. After you do that, you can add a profile picture. So you can take a picture from your phone or your computer, and people will see this picture when your camera is off. So let me do January pictures. So I have a couple here that I might want to use for a profile picture. Which one should I choose? I like them all. I think I will go with this one. Yeah, that one. That's a cool picture. I like it. You can center it. You can blow it up. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and then save. So every time my camera is off, this is the picture that everybody will see. You click next. Okay, make scheduling simple. You can connect your Google account to Zoom, so every time you have a meeting scheduled, it will connect to that. Don't worry about that. We're not doing that right now. Next. All right, it says you're all set. Let's go. Okay, remember what I said. In the top right corner, you see the settings button. So you can click that. And on the left, you will see many different options, okay? There's the general, video, audio, share screen, team chat, Zoom apps, background and effects, recording, profile, statistics, keyboard shortcuts, and accessibility. So in general, there's so many options for you, but I'm just going to focus on a few of them, okay? So for video, you can choose which camera you want to use, right? For audio, you can choose which speaker you want to hear, okay? And for microphone, you can choose what microphone you want to use. I just keep it to the ones that already come with the computer, but if you want to add a microphone, or you want to add a speaker, or you want to add a different camera, you can do that, okay, in these settings, your audio and video settings. Okay, noise removal, don't worry about that. All right, screen share, don't worry about that. Background and effects. Okay, I showed this to you before in the other video, but let's see. Okay, so one thing you can do is to blur, and then you cannot really see what's behind me. You can't see that I didn't put my laundry away. Nothing like that. So you can, it's kind of private back there, and it'll just show your face, what's directly in front of the camera. You can do San Francisco, grass, the earth, the beach, and northern lights. Okay. You can also do video filters, which is silly, but if you want, just for fun, to lighten the mood in class. Like I can put on glasses, I can put a flower in my hair. Kind of nice. I don't know. What else? I don't know. Different things. And my favorite, the avatar. Okay, you can create your own avatar. I'll show you how to do it. Just a minute. Mhm. Okay. You can choose the animal first. All right, let's create a new one. Okay, so first you're going to start with the skin tone. You can get very dark skin, or you can have very light skin. Okay, whatever you want. Somewhere in the middle here, and about that tone, maybe a little lighter. Yeah, okay. You can check your face, the different shapes of faces. Very strong jawline. All right. I don't think any of these really match me, but okay, I'll choose that one. Hair. Uh, I got curly hair. Okay, that'll work. All different hairstyles, right? Bun, ponytail. Ponytail. It's kind of cute. Anyway, yeah, whatever you want. Curly hair too. Okay, you can change your hair color. So maybe you want blue hair today, and next time you want brown hair, and then the next time you're gonna get some white hair and blonde hair, pink hair, whatever hair you want. I'm like dark brown hair. There we go. That's about right. My eyes, they are brown. Cool, cool. I like it. Which are closest to my eye shape? Mm, okay. Doesn't I have my eyebrows are not that thick, man. Oh my god. I'm like a man. All right. That'll work. Okay. My eye color, I have brown eyes. So if you want to change them, maybe you can have green eyes or blue eyes. I'm gonna stick with brown. Eyelashes? I don't know. What extra long eyelashes? Looking extra. I don't know. But that's nice. There you go. And eyelash color? Black? I guess. Okay. Eyebrows. Okay, there we go. I was like those are kind of thick for me. Masculine. All right. Eyebrow color. My nose is round. Cute noses. Okay, that's about right. My mouth. Who has delicious lips? That no. I'm sorry. This is fun. Okay, and your lip color. Mm-hmm. That's strong. I would go for something a little more subtle. Uh, or nothing at all. Just plain lips. I would go for that one. No. My age. Are you an old person or are you a young person? That. I'm somewhere in the middle. Facial hair. Do you want a beard? I do not. Facial hair color, we don't do that. Body, I'm in the middle, about here. It's kind of big, or large. There. What? I don't know. Hmm. All right, I guess that's the smallest. The clothing you can change. Um, do like a pink sweater, a blue sweater, whatever you want. I like the pink sweater. Head covering. So if you want to represent yourself with a hat, put on a hat. You want to represent yourself with a hijab, put on a hijab. Okay, I want to put on a turban, different types of turbans. A yarmulke? Oh, all right. No, I don't need any of that. All right, and if you wear glasses, you want to represent yourself with glasses, you can put those on. I wear glasses. All right, and then when you're done, you click done. That doesn't really look like me, but okay. I'm gonna switch to my avatar now. Why does it look like that? Didn't look like that before. Anyway, you can do human form, or they have these animals too, like like a cat. Or it would be a cat or a bunny or a cow. What do you want to be? Or a fox. I'm going to stick to my human form. Okay. The other thing that you can personalize your profile. Edit your profile. Statistics. Um, Other thing I want to do was background. So virtual backgrounds, I have these, but you can add from your computer, add an image or video, short video. All right, so here are some of the backgrounds that I downloaded previously, and I don't know, if I like them, I can download them from the internet and then make them, access them through Zoom and then make them my background. Okay, so you can change the background if you want. All right, let me stop there. All right, that is about it as far as your personalizations go, your customization for Zoom. Let me know if this was helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know and I'll catch you next time. Bye.